This is resonance.
What is resonance? Resonance is a special case of forced vibration when the frequency of external periodic force equals the natural frequency of the body, and the body begins to vibrate with larger amplitude. Can you see in this experiment, this tuning fork is the external periodic force, and the air inside this tube, that is the air column that is set into vibration, and you can hear a loud sound due to resonance.
This is resonance. No resonance. Resonance. No resonance.
In this video, you will see how to write the answers for resonance of ICSE physics syllabus for the board exam. This is how your board examination face of the answer sheet looks like. In ICSE class 10 physics board examination, resonance is an important concept on which many application questions are asked. To begin with, let us look at 5 give reason questions which are very popular. First one says loud sound is heard at resonance. We write the answer after leaving one line, and then we say this is so as at resonance the frequency of the external periodic force double underline equals what? The natural frequency of vibration, and the body begins to vibrate with a larger amplitude. This sends forth a large amount of energy to the medium, and as loudness depends upon the amplitude of vibration, L proportional to A square, which you already learned in the theory. That is how larger amplitude produces louder sound. These are the keywords. Let's look at the next one. At a particular speed, the rear view mirror of the motorcycle begins to rattle with a large amplitude. And how will you stop the rattling sound? So we start by saying that this is happening due to resonance. The keyword should be mentioned. This is so as the frequency of the to and fro motion of the piston of the engine, which is the external periodic force, equals, double underline that, the natural frequency of vibration of the rear view mirror at that speed. Hence, the rear view mirror begins to vibrate with larger amplitude due to resonance and begins to rattle. Now, how do we stop it from rattling? By increasing or decreasing the speed of the motorcycle so that the external periodic force does not have the same frequency as the natural frequency of the rear view mirror. Then in that case it will experience forced vibration, means it will produce smaller amplitude. Let's look at the third one. Soldiers are asked to break their steps before crossing the suspension bridge. Now here again remember the frequency of the marching of soldiers, that is the external periodic force, may equal, double underline the word equal, these are the keywords, the natural frequency of vibration of the bridge, and thus due to underline resonance the bridge may begin to oscillate with a larger amplitude and it may collapse. Let's look at our fourth question. Radio and TV receivers are provided with a tuning knob. Why is this provided? So that on turning the tuning knob, one can adjust the frequency of what? The electronic components which are in the circuit to equal the frequency of the radio and TV waves, underline that, which represent the external periodic frequency. Thus, due to resonance, this is the keyword again, the signal gets amplified, means because of the large amplitude, and so one can tune into radio or TV station. And let's look at the last one of this video. All stringed instruments are provided with a hollow sound box. Now, hollow sound box is made of wood and it contains air. So we write this is so as the hollow sound box containing air is so constructed that the frequency of the air column inside it is the same as the string stretched over it. So we have the frequency of the air column will be experiencing the forced vibrations from the string which is set into vibration. Thus, due to resonance, the air column begins to vibrate with larger amplitude, producing louder sound. Also, the sound box has larger surface area, which sets larger volume of air into vibrations, producing louder sound. Now, this is because remember, loudness is directly proportional to the surface area. Okay, so you can also be asked that the vibrating string by itself produces very weak or feeble sound, but with the sound box, it produces louder note. So these were the 5 give reasons on resonance. As of now, we will stop here. In another video, we will come across some more tips for your physics, chemistry, or maths. Thank you for watching. Bye.